Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Welcome back, my subbies, and if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoy. Today I'm doing a collab called Power Up. It's hosted by Sarah and Zana. Lovely, lovely ladies. We all get together and do something with power tools. So I hope you check out Sarah and Zana's channel and everybody else. All right, let's get started. At Christmas, I received this little Mighty Mite table saw, and I hadn't used it till now, and so I thought, well, let's try it and see. I had an idea in mind of what I wanted to do with it, but I was trying to cut this thicker spindle, and I kept having to go back and forth. And it didn't do so hot. If you've got something thin and not very big, I think it'd do okay, like a dowel or a piece of thinner wood, like balsa wood, or worked pretty good on the other spindle, but this one, kind of cut but burnt through it too, so wasn't real impressed. So I'm trying this one. And I cut here on the edge. You can see it went through there much, much better. I still had to keep kind of pulling it back and forth and turning it as I went. But it worked out much better than the thicker spindle. And I'll think of something to do with the thicker spindle. So this one I'm cutting out on the sides of the decorative middle. And they both came out cute. See, I didn't cut off any fingers. Yay. Paint sprayer is my secret word. Well, now I'm taking the drill. I am pretty good with the drill. It's a cordless one. And I'm drilling holes in the top. Now, one of the spindles, or the two pieces of it, really didn't drill very good. It took me a while to get it drilled. I just needed a small hole, but to be a little deeper. But the other one drilled out really nice. I got these small spindles from Amazon. You can see on the end how the black is, where it kind of burnt through it. So I guess maybe it's to get a bigger table saw for me. So I'm doing a jack-o'-lantern, and I can't remember what the other one was. But these are Plaid products. I'm a Plaid ambassador, and I love using their paints. So I paint two, the pumpkin color, one without the top edge and one with the top. That way I give it a little bit of looking difference. I ended up doing 2 coats on it, and that seemed to be plenty. And if you don't like painting, you could always do spray paint. And since carrots come in all different colors now, well, I guess they always did, but now they come in purple and, oh my gosh, all kinds of cool colors. I guess you could paint them anything or have a variety of different colors. They all taste the same, but they look pretty. I think it said these were beech wood, but they weren't really bad priced. The other ones I got from a lady that I watch on YouTube. Like I said, I'll figure out something to do with them. Always do. Yeah, so be sure and mention the secret word in each video that you watch, and each video will be different. So we can all say, yes, this person had it, and you could possibly win $25 Amazon gift certificate. You know, I'm just trying to do a quick dry on them. Love my little heat gun. It's so awesome. And I'll tell you, I am loving this glass mat that I got. It cleans up so easy, even with stuff that's kind of sticky. And I just used my little, scraper, and they come right off. Except one day I was kind of scraping at something that had sat on there and I scratched it. So you got to be careful not to scratch it, but if you use a flat scraper, that works out really well. So I had this greenery in my stash from Dollar Tree, and I'm just kind of arranging it and getting it to look decent. And I put some wood glue in there because I really wanted it to hang on really well. I know this is a very simple project and it's not elaborate like some of the other ladies make, but I just think they're cute, and I did use 2 different power tools. If I decided to use the brown ones, I guess I could have used my sander. Sanded the top and made it come to a point, which I still may, you never know. But since I had the little saw, I thought, let's try something, and we'll do something simple and not big and elaborate. And I think they're coming out really cute. You know, super glue is okay, and even the Gorilla super glue is okay, but if you want something to really stick, use some wood glue. So I'm just poking them in. I'm poking one big one and a couple of small ones. Okay. Oh, sorry, that should be gone. I'll remove it before I send it out. Okay, I'm taking some twine. Took a big thing of twine and I'm wrapping around the tops. So I can make it kind of like a garland, or I can just make it hanging. I could end up doing more, making a garland stretch all across the fireplace, but I want to hang it from my pot rack even after Easter's over. I think it kept getting twisted in the greenery. But look, it's looking really cute. And here it is all finished. I think it looks adorable. And I gave you a video that's not very long, so you don't get tired of watching it. I hope you like this, and I appreciate you coming along and following me on my power-up journey. Hopefully I'll start learning a little bit more about power tools. And I invite you to go and watch some of my old videos. There's some cute ones from last Easter, and I've got some cute ones for this Easter. So go ahead and hit subscribe. It's free. And check out my Instagram page. Until I see you next time, have a great Easter and go out and spread some kindness. Bye.